Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create your account on Fundora.trade and then verify it successfully. So first of all, I want you to go ahead and then open your browser. You can use any kind of browser of your choice. And then once you open your browser, I want you to go ahead and then search for Fundora.trade, as you can see in the address bar over here, and I'll also be leaving the link to the website in the video description for you to use and then create an account and then verify it. But first, make sure to watch the video from the beginning to the very end before you go ahead and then do anything first. So once you are done inputting in the address, you go ahead and then load it up in your browser. So as you can see on the home page over here, this is how the website looks like. So this website is an investment platform which will help you to make a lot of money. So you could see over here you have the investment plans starting all the way from $500 and beyond. So for you to be able to join this platform, you should click on the sidebar over here, and then you could see over here they say sign up and then log in. I want you to click on the sign up, then it will take you to the sign up form or the registration page. So once on this page, you have to enter your personal details and then make sure the details are correct, because you'll be asked to submit a KYC or an identity verification before you can use the account. So first of all, I'm going to input in my real name over here. And then the username I'm going to be using, Credit Tech app for the username. And then for the phone, I'm going to be using my phone number, and then the email, I'm going to be using this. And then I input in my correct passwords. And then once you are done with everything, you have to make sure to click on agree to the privacy and then policy before you can be able to move on and then create your account. So let's click on register and then wait for it to take us to the next page to proceed. So over here we are being asked to provide the verification code sent to our email to be able to verify the account successfully. So let's wait for the email. Let's go to our email and then copy our verification code and then use it to verify the account. So you can see over here, this is our verification code from the platform. Go ahead and then copy it and then go back to the website, paste it to verify your account. So when you are done with that, over here you will be asked to submit your KYC details for it to be verified before you can start using the account. So that's why it is necessary to use the correct details on your account while doing the registration. So I'm going to be inputting my real name over here, and then the country, I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana. And then the residential address, I'll be entering my real residential address over here. For security reasons, I won't be showing you many parts of the video. You will just have to follow each and every single steps that I'm doing over here for you to also be able to create and then verify your account. So over here you have to upload your ID document, which can be passport, national ID, or driver's license. So I'm going to be uploading my national ID over here. So once you are done uploading that, the next section says we should take a selfie with our ID and then upload, which is the very last steps. And then we wait for the account to be verified. So let me go ahead and then upload that one too. So once you are done with everything, you can either add an additional information that you want for the platform managers to take a look into it and then verify your account. But that field or option is optional for you to use. So I'm going to not type in anything over there and then click on submit KYC. Okay, so as you can see over here, our KYC have been successfully sent for verification. So let's wait for some few minutes for our account to be verified, and then we can start using the account. So it has been like about 5 minutes, and then seems like our account have been successfully verified, and you can see on the dashboard over here I've been given free $10 bonus. So when you register using the link in the video description or the pinned comment section, you'll be given a free $10 registration bonus for you to use and then start your investment. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then share it with your friends. And then if you face any kind of issues whilst doing the registration, please write it down in the comment section. I'll do my very best to attend to each and every single one of them. So thank you once again for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye.